Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Fula Kamara. Today we are in chapter 8, which is managing the products and services list. As clients add new products and services or discontinue them, they need to keep their product list updated. Here is a list of available product types. The first one is inventory. The inventory is only available in QuickBooks Plus and Advanced. So the QuickBooks Essential Simple Start does not have inventory. These are items that are bought and sold with quantities on hand being tracked. An example of an inventory item is smartphone. So smartphone in an electronic store which is ready for sale, that is an example of an inventory. Whereas we also have non-inventory. So non-inventory, these are items that are bought and sold but their quantity on hand are not tracked. These might be used in the installation and delivery of product. Example, the paper supplies the company used for printing is an example of non-inventory items. And then we also have services. These are provided to the client's customers. So an example of services like audit service, bookkeeping services. So whatever services that we provide to the customer or the clients provide to the customers, these are services. And then we have bundle. This is a collection of products that are sold together. Example of a bundle is a gaming console. Gaming console is an example of a bundle. So we have, like, for example, the PlayStation, Xbox, and then normally they might include other items like additional controller or few months of online service subscription. So these are example of, this is an example of a bundled product. You sell these together. The products and services can be found in the product and service center. So let's go and look at the product and services. So here, when you go to sales and then product and services, so this is where you find the product and services. So now the first thing is creating and using product categories. This allows you to group items of the same type. Categories help you easily find product or service and are very useful when running sales and inventory report. So product categories help us when running sales and inventory report. So in order for us to create a products and services category, we select more and then manage categories. So once we select more and then we select manage categories, and then we can select new category. So once we select new category, we can give it a name. So once we're done, we click save. So now we've got our new product category. And then to add a subcategory, we can still select more. To add a subcategory, we select manage category, new category, and then we check the box, say this is a subcategory. So if we say under bookkeeping, we can say books cleanup or reconciliation, and then we check this box as a subcategory. So where do we put this? Under which main category? So we say bookkeeping. Okay, so meaning this reconciliation will be in the bookkeeping category. So the subcategory is reconciliation, but the main category is the bookkeeping. We click save. Okay, so now we can see bookkeeping, which is the main category. And then we have below it, we have what? The reconciliation, which is a subcategory. So you can see the indentation here shows the main category and then the subcategory. And then to assign a product or service item to a category. Let's say we've already had the item, right? But we want to assign it to a category. So we can go to the product and services category. Let's say we have a product, let's say rock, right? We want to assign it to a different category. We can just select edit. So under category, you can see currently it is under the design category. So once we select edit from the action column, and then we can select the appropriate category here. So let's say rocks, we can now change it to whatever category we want. We can put it under landscaping, and then so this pop-up is saying this item might have special tax consideration. Select to confirm. So we can select to confirm, and then we can say whether this item is taxable or non-taxable. So we can either say it is non-taxable, or if it is taxable, we can select how the type of tax category we can put it in. So we can save non-taxable. So we'll discuss the sales tax. We'll discuss this in detail when we go to sales tax. So for now, let's just say it's non-taxable, and then click save and close. So that's how you reassign a product or service item to a category. And then you can also create a product category when adding a new product or service, whether be it inventory, non-inventory service, but not a bundle. We can add product or service to a category when adding the product or service that are not a bundle. Let's say, for example, we want to add a new service, right? We can either add inventory, non-inventory services, but we cannot assign a product or a service. We cannot create a product or service category when adding a new product relating to a bundle. So we can only do it for either inventory, non-inventory, or service. So let's add a service. Let's say our service is tax preparation. So that's the service, no SKU. So we are going to discuss I sell this product category section later. So now we can assign this to a category. Let's say the category we want to assign to this is not available, so we can create a new category. We can call these as tax. So we click save. So now we've added the tax service category, and then we click save. So once we click save, then we've assigned this to a category. So now let's look out for the tax preparation. See, tax preparation is now under the tax services, you see. And then we have pest control, refund and allowance is under the pest control category. So that's how you add a product to a category when creating or adding a new product that are not a bundle. But if it was a bundle, we cannot do that. Let's say, for example, if we say new, then we say bundle. You see, bundle, you don't have the option to add a product or a service category. There is no option for us to do that. So that's what I was explaining. And then setting up products and services to sell or purchase. In the product or service information panel, the client has the option to tell QuickBooks whether they sell this product or service to customers or purchase this product or service from a vendor available in QuickBooks Plus and Advanced. So we have the option to tell whether we are selling this product or service to a customer. You see this check mark. This is where we indicate whether we sell this product or service to a customer, or I purchase this product or service from a vendor. So we have that option. See, so selling the product or service, we have to fill out the following: the name. We can give it the name. Let's say tax resolution. Under which category? Let's say tax preparation, tax services. So if we check, say I sell this product or service to a customer, then meaning this will pop up whenever we create an invoice. So we can enter the description of the item, then the chart of account. This is under service, so we can put it in the service account. So we can put the rate. How much are we charging for this service? We can either say 1,000. This is just an example. So then any sales tax related to this. So let's say if we want to assign this to a sales tax category, we want to assign a sales tax to this, we can select any of these. So you can see these are the suggestions, whether licensed or professional like attorney or accountant, without tangible personal property or data security. So we can select this. This is just for example. So once we select, we can check this purchase, because this is only available in QuickBooks Plus and Advanced. If we choose this option, we will need to fill out additional information. Like if I say I purchase this, you can see we need to add the description on the purchase form, that is for purchase order, what the information that will appear in the purchase order, and then the cost, how much the cost of this, if it is an item that we buy from vendors, but not in this case. So that's why we don't check this box. So yeah, once we're done, then we can click save. Yep. So, and then once we click save, now we can see tax resolution. is now under our tax services. So you see the check mark shows this is taxable. So if we want to edit this, we can select edit and then make changes, and then once we're done, we click save. So that's how you add a product or service and also edit a product or a service. So you see there is an option to import. We've gone through this in our previous lecture. So we can run report from here. Let's say if we want to run report, so this is a report of the product or service list. Okay, so this is how you run the report. We can customize, save customization, or we can go back to report list. See, now it took us to the reporting directly. So let's go back to the product and service. So product and service setting, QBO allows client to customize certain product and service features. To customize the columns and sales form, we go to the gear icon and then account and setting, and then select the sales from the left navigation, and then scroll to the products and services, and then here we can customize, we can make changes here. Okay, what we can select what information we want to show in the forms. So if we say track quantity or price rate, this will track the inventory for us, the inventory price. Okay, and then it will track the quantity, add quantity and rate field. So you remember when I was filling out the product and service, there is an option to add this rate. So we can select what information we want to add here. So you see we have price rules. This is in beta. So this price rule, we have a whole topic on a whole chapter on this one. You can set up the price rule, you can turn it on. This price rule applies whenever we have special prices for specific product, or maybe we have like a promotional discount for specific product or customers at a specific month. Let's say the month of December, we offer a promotion. Maybe we say 5% off for all tax preparation. This is just an example. So we can set the price rules here. We can use the price rule. We can turn this on. If we turn this slider on, meaning the price rule will apply. We will cover this when we go to price. But yeah, this is very useful when you have like price rule. You set certain rules for specific customers, or you set certain rules for a specific month of the year. You say, okay, this month from January 1st to January 31st, the price for tax preparation will be 10% off. If you set that rule, then after that month, after the end of January, then the price will return to its normal price. So yeah, that's what the price rule is talking about. So here you can toggle this slider on and off. So yeah, that's the end of chapter 8. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then share and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.